Welcome. I'm Kate Treadway, and this is how I show pre-class tutorials and bridge questions in Sapling Plus. So I go from the Master Rep demo to the Sapling Plus for Krugman course, and then I choose the pre-class tutorial, and I click Assignment Preview. So the pre-class tutorials are meant to be a quick and easy way for your students to learn some of the big basic ideas of a chapter, even if they aren't doing the reading. It's the perfect answer for this YouTube generation who doesn't like to read the textbook before class, so that when they come to class, they still are prepared, they understand the big ideas, they have heard the vocabulary at least once before, and now they can get more out of your lecture because of it. So these pre-class tutorials are animated videos, no more than 2 minutes in length for each slide, and each topic is no more than 20 minutes in length.
That fraction has been reduced to 17%, and today, only a tiny percentage of them.
You'll notice that this video slide is just under a minute long. As students take the videos, it will open the next slide available for them. That means students can't really skip forward and just take the questions. They actually have to watch some of the content before getting there. So as I click on this one, the next slide will become available. And there it is.
You know what happens at the farmer's market on a rainy Saturday? The bad weather.
And I'm going to go through and click through a few of these till we get to a question. So your students would watch all these videos and then they get to a concept check question. These questions are meant to be pretty simple. Did you understand the content you've been watching in the video? Yes or no. So they can choose an answer, check their answer. If they get it wrong, they get immediate feedback. They have the ability to try again until they get it right. And then again, it will open up the next slide, which is some more videos. They go through the full tutorial on the topic, and that is the pre-class tutorial. The second piece for the pre-class stuff is the bridge questions. And these bridge questions, sorry, we got to navigate back there. So these bridge questions are meant to bridge what they do in the pre-class tutorial with what you do in your lecture. They're not always black and white answers the way they are in the pre-class tutorial videos. These are meant to be sometimes a little gray, like there's some disagreement. It's meant to start a conversation. So these are great questions for you to ask in class as an opening question. The real meat of these bridge questions is that they have to explain the reasoning. So students can't just guess on an answer. They have to explain why they chose that answer, which gives you really valuable insight into what your class is thinking and what they understand from the material so far, so that you can tweak your lecture to address those misconceptions that they might have, or to clarify something that maybe wasn't clear to them. And what you can see is this item analysis. So you'll see the question, how many got it right, how many got it wrong? And then you'll be able to see their student responses. And you can sort these responses by correct answer, incorrect answer, and kind of get, in a quick few seconds, just a snapshot into like the overall class and what the misconception is, so that you can address it properly. And that's how I show and talk about pre-class tutorials and bridge questions. Thank you.